In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to advertise your products on Amazon. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Amazon Seller Central or Amazon Ads account. If you haven't listed your products yet, create your product listing and make sure they are active before starting an ad campaign. Once you're in the dashboard, open the advertising menu and click Campaign Manager. Next, select the type of campaign you want to run, such as sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. Choose the products you want to advertise, set your daily budget, enter your bid amount, and select relevant keywords or let Amazon target customers automatically. After reviewing your campaign settings, launch your ad campaign. Amazon will begin showing your ads to shoppers searching for related products, including many Amazon Prime members browsing the marketplace. Monitor your campaign performance regularly by checking metrics such as impressions, clicks, sales, and advertising cost. You can adjust your bids, keywords, and budget over time to improve your results and maximize your return on investment. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.